Hello everyone, welcome to Bhadra IAS Academy. Today in this video, we are going to look at Assam economy related topic, that is the GS paper 5 topic. And in this discussion, today we are going to talk about food security in Assam. So what is the situation of food security in Assam? What is the legal, what we can say the act we have, and what is the system in Assam, how it has been done in Assam. These basic things we are going to discuss in this video. For your exam point of preparation also, it will be greatly helpful. So now if you look at the how food security is implemented in Assam, मतलब असम में food security हम कैसा implement करते हैं. For that we have a department that is called Food and Civil Supplies Department, which looks after basically the allocation, the distribution of food grains and also finding out the family जिसको ये food security में मतलब रेशन कार्ड में देना है. So they have to find families which are below poverty line. So all these activities in Assam are done by the Food and Civil Supplies Department. Clear? The next important point is what is the legal system, legal provision. The legal provision in India is that Food Security of India comes under the National Food Security Act 2013. According to Assam का इकोनॉमिक सर्वे 23-24, वो इकोनॉमिक सर्वे क्या बोलता है, असम में ये जो फूड सिक्योरिटी एक्ट है ये 2015 में असम में इंप्लीमेंट किया है. ओके, सो वन टॉपिक क्वेश्चन फॉर एग्जाम, असम में फूड सिक्योरिटी एक्ट कब से इंप्लीमेंट हुआ है, 2015 से. एंड करंटली मतलब स्टिल लास्ट ईयर वी कैन से what is the population covered under National Food Security Act? It is 2.5 crore. We can say 2.5 crore people have been identified. Clear? Now according to budget 2022-23 Assam government budget, Assam government ने क्या बोला that Assam में ये जो food security है it is implemented by this particular program what we call Affordable Nutrition and Nourishment Yojana, in short what they call it as a Anna Yojana. So how do we implement the food security in Assam? It is implemented through this Anna Yojana, right? And the scheme of the central government what became very popular, right? That is called One Nation One Ration Card का जो scheme आया था, इस scheme में Assam government कब join किया? So if you see, Assam joined One Nation One Ration Card scheme from June 2022. Clear? Now, Assam government December 2022 में क्या बोला that they will identify more people who deserve food security. So they said 40 lakh more people may be included in the ration card का system in Assam. Okay. And also Assam में we are still implementing प्रधानमंत्री गरीब कल्याण अन्न योजना जिसमें फ्री राइस दिया जाता है about 5 kg every month. Okay, it is Assam में still done. Now if you look at it, असम गवर्नमेंट ने बोला था 2022 में हम 40 लाख लोगों को नया रेशन कार्ड देंगे. अभी उसी स्कीम में if you look at in 2024 last year 2024 January, government organized the program to distribute 42 lakh new beneficiary का ration card, right? So that was the news from current affair point of view. Now इसमें what is the key focus? Some points I just want to highlight to you for your exam preparation. इसमें 10 lakh people मतलब families they will benefit and 5 kg of rice every month will be given free of cost as per the announcement made by the CM. Another important point to remember here is this one. Earlier क्या था, those जिसका income limit was only 2 lakh they could apply for the ration card. अभी government ने क्या किया, ये limit को बढ़ा दिया, from 2 lakh it has now been increased to 4 lakh, right? So that's what I put here. The income limit increased from 2 lakh to 4 lakh. ये भी एग्जाम के लिए आप देखिए एग्जाम में आ भी सकता है। Now what is the latest? On 15 December 2024, just last month, again Assam government distributed ration cards to 7 lakh families. Okay, that was the news. This program was organized. Okay, so that is 15 December 2022. Okay, for any further information you can contact Bhadra IAS Academy at 8638391721. Okay, you can call and get your necessary information. Thank you.